Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be talking about the peer-to-peer buy crypto method on Binance. And this is if you want to buy crypto using a bank transfer. And the reason why this is called peer-to-peer is because it's between peers. It's between me, you, and other brokers on the platform. And some call it the OTC market or the over-the-counter market. Some call it the second-hand marketplace. It just means the same thing. And if you want to save on credit card fees or debit card fees, if you use the direct buy, this is the method for you. You have to do a KYC or know your customer verification process, and you might run into some troublesome brokers, which you'll see later on, and you'll have quite a laugh there. What I liken this to is if you buy a car and it's time to sell your car, so you want to sell your car on the second-hand marketplace where you'll find tons of other buyers at a lower cost. So this is what it is. It's just selling my crypto, and that makes me a crypto merchant and you a crypto buyer on the peer-to-peer marketplace. So peer-to-peer just means you're purchasing from other brokers on the exchange, and it has virtually no fees because you're doing a bank transfer. And sometimes you have to deal with troublesome brokers, and you'll see later. You also need to do a KYC verification process, which is know your customer. So on the very top left, just click on buy crypto peer-to-peer. The default option is USDT, which is closely tied to the US dollar. Also, some Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance coin. So those are the default options. Let's just say I want to buy Bitcoin. Well, you can see the minimum purchase for Bitcoin on Binance is $5,000. And if I change it to the US dollar, oh, okay, they have someone selling it at $15. It's really inexpensive, but it's a higher per unit price. So if I buy a lower quantity, it just means it gets more expensive per unit. Let's check USDT. Yes, you can see the lower the limit, the more expensive the per unit gets. And you can see that these are all US bank accounts. And I don't have that, so I'm just going to change it back to the Sing dollar, which is my local currency. And it's about 1.4 Sing dollar for every US dollar. And there's no one here with a small order quantity. Okay, this guy, 1.43 Sing dollar. Wow, okay, let's just buy from this guy. He has a small minimum purchase of $50. So let's just buy from this guy. Okay, so here lies the KYC. The KYC verification is just know your customer or know your client, and it is part of every financial transaction. If you are in a bank, you'll know what this is. You have to show your passport, your IC, your selfie, and everything else that comes with the KYC process. And you have to enable it in order to continue. So I'm just gonna hit enable and I'm gonna verify. Okay, I'm just gonna pause this part, hit submit and continue. So this whole process is designed to help you with your verification and protect you against identity theft. Have your ID ready, or your passport. And now that I've done everything, this process will take 1 to 3 working days, so let's just wait. Welcome back. So, okay, once you've received the notification that your KYC has been verified, let's begin. This is the peer-to-peer method, and this is my local currency, the Sing dollar. 1.4 Sing dollar is 1 USD, and this looks just about right. These are all bank transfer methods you can see here. And you can see that the minimum purchase, if I want to purchase from this guy, is $3,000. Well, I don't want to spend $3,000 right now, so I'm just going to look for someone else who has a lower minimum purchase. Here, Mr. Crypto has an offer of 50 Sing dollars, and Mr. has an offer of 50 Sing dollars too, at a lower price. Well, it's not 1.38, but it's a small sacrifice I have to make because I'm buying a smaller quantity. It's just like your minimum order quantity for any e-commerce, Amazon, FBA experts out there. You know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna click on buy USDT. I'm getting 50 Sing dollars worth of USDT, which is 35 USDT. In his TNCs, he says send a WhatsApp before making an order. Okay, I shall do that then. So you just watch. Hi, are you there? I want to order 50 USDT. Oh, he's replying. May I know your purpose of buying USDT? It's for a tutorial for YouTube. Later, Ken. Just send me USDT first. But this guy cannot. Why? I needed to KYC. What? Okay, this guy was a total waste of my time. Never mind. Let's just buy it from this guy instead. I'm just gonna enter 50 and click on buy now. Okay, so this guy never asked me to message him, so I will message him. Okay, now I'm at the order page. Here are his details. He says to transfer to this bank account, and it says that I have to do it in the next 15 minutes or else my order will be cancelled. He is using a local bank, local Singapore bank, so I will just go there. Okay, for his privacy reasons, I will just blur this out. Okay, everything looks okay. Send in 50. Transfer now. And okay. Let me just screenshot this just in case. And back here, I just click transfer, next, confirm. Let's write him a message on the chat. Hello, hello, I have placed an order. He's quite fast. Okay, let me check. Received. Your payment has been received. Received and released. Thanks. Awesome, this guy is fast. Okay, wait, let me just roast the previous guy. Just for laughs. I'm a YouTuber. I have found a faster broker. LOLs. Okay, let's go back to the order page and ask this guy. Do I need to hit on confirm or press anything? Okay, he said no need, just go and check your peer-to-peer wallet. It should be credited to your peer-to-peer wallet. So let's go back to our wallet and click peer-to-peer. Click on show balance and you can see my purchase is right here, 34 USDT. Awesome. So now let me do a transfer from my peer-to-peer wallet to my spot wallet. Okay, peer-to-peer to spot, USDT, click on max because I want to transfer everything. Confirm. The transfer has succeeded. Now I go to the spot wallet and you can see my 34 USDT is here. Now I go to trade, basic, and you can see my available 34 USDT here. So just type in the full amount and I can swap it to Ethereum. And the reason why I bought USDT and not Ethereum is because USDT is closer to $1 so I know that the price is a little bit more stable than Ethereum. The price of Ethereum is changing every minute. It was like 3 380 last week, and then it went up to 420, so it changes every minute. With the USDT, I know that my price is a little bit more stable, and that is why I bought USDT and then I do a swap. And now I can swap it to Ethereum. Confirm. Click on view status, and now you can see your crypto history, and you can see that my conversion is complete. I go to my spot wallet again, and you can see that my Ethereum is right here. No more USDT. I have 1.1 Ethereum. Okay, now the important part. Alright, so now I want to trade my Ethereum to Tron, and that is what we want. We want to change the Ethereum to Tron. So, put everything in, preview the conversion. I'll get 987 Tron. Looks okay. Confirm. Submission successful. View status. I just swapped USDT to Ethereum and Ethereum to Tron. Now I go to the spot wallet, and you can see that my 987 Tron lives here. And now I want to withdraw this and put it on my TronLink wallet. So again, TronLink is the wallet, the specialized Tron wallet that will calculate your Tron earnings in 10 levels. So if you haven't got it already, go to my earlier tutorial on how to download TronLink Chrome extension. So go and retrieve my TronLink address, click on receive, copy the wallet address, the long string of numbers is my wallet address, paste it here on Binance, and you can see that it is on the TRC20 network, the Tron network, and I want to transfer everything. Hit submit. Do the phone and email verification quickly. And now your withdrawal request has been submitted. Alright, so now I go back to my spot wallet. This should refresh in a little bit. And in the meantime, I check my TronLink. There should be $240 worth of Tron tokens in there. So let's just check back in 2 minutes. Alright, can you see it has been 2 minutes? 2 minutes just passed, and now I have $240 worth of Tron tokens sitting here in my Tron wallet. It's super simple. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope it was helpful. If you need the TronLink extension, again, check my previous videos. If you want to check how to direct buy with your card and avoid troublesome brokers like what I experienced earlier, then check out my previous videos on how to buy direct on your debit or credit card. Easy method, no KYC, but beware of high fees. In my next video, I'll show you how to transfer from MetaMask to TronLink with Binance in the middle. So look out for that, and I hope you liked this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you've made it to the end of this video, first of all, I want to thank you. Thank you for sticking with me throughout the entire video. And earlier I mentioned that I have a surprise waiting for you. And I really want to be transparent with all of you guys. If you're using my link or my ID to register for Binance, if you don't have an account already, then I want to tell you the commission structure that both of us will benefit from if you register with my link or my ID. So with Binance, there are 3 tiers. So the first tier gives 20-0. So that's 20% for me and nothing for you. And I don't think that's fair. So let's move on to the second and third tier. In the second tier, it's 15-5, so 15% for me and 5% for you. And in the third tier, it's 50-50, so it's 10% for me and 10% for you. And because I'm fair and I want you to profit as much as I'm profiting, I'm sharing the referral ID that's gonna be split 50-50 with the both of us. So I'm happy, you're happy, and everyone's happy. So I just really want to be transparent with all you guys. If you're using the link or my ID, that is the commission that you're gonna get for every trade that you make. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.